Welcome to the Great North Gardener. I'm Albert, and this is a quick how-to for the best soil for raised beds. I grow in a Zone 5 climate, so we make every sunny day count. We'll pick the perfect spot, build a sturdy frame, mix ideal soil, plant right, and keep it thriving. Dial in the soil and you'll pull long, straight carrots and plump, juicy beets. Choose a spot with at least 6 hours of direct sun and good drainage. No puddles after rain. Go for a 4x8 footbed so you can reach the middle without stepping on the soil. Avoid compaction. It's the enemy of happy roots. Aim for 12 to 18 inches deep for parsnips and carrots to stretch. Use untreated cedar. Build a sturdy box and level it so water doesn't pool. Bricks or stonework too, whatever suits your style and budget. Creating the soil is the secret to a great harvest. Mix equal parts topsoil, organic compost, and coarse sand or composted bark. You want it light, loose, and rich in nutrients. Loose mix helps roots grow long and straight, not forked. Enrich with well-rotted compost or aged manure for slow-release feed. Never use fresh manure, it can burn young roots. Test pH and aim for 6.0 to 7.0. Too acidic? Add lime. Too alkaline? Add sulfur or more compost. Read the packet. Sow tiny carrot seed shallowly. Beets can go about 1/2 inch. Gently firm the surface so seed meets soil. Water in with a rose or a soft spray, then keep moisture even. Consistently moist, not waterlogged. Raised beds drain fast. Water in the morning so foliage dries before evening. Add mulch once seedlings are up to lock in moisture and reduce weeds. Give space, carrots 2 to 3 inches, beets and parsnips 3 to 4. Thin early so roots don't compete for light, water and nutrients. Got mice or voles? Line the bottom with wire mesh before filling. Use lightweight netting to protect new seedlings from birds. Feed lightly. Excess nitrogen makes leafy tops, not big roots. One mid-season organic liquid feed or compost tea is plenty if you started rich. Harvest by the packets days to maturity. Smaller roots are often sweeter and more tender. Loosen with a fork and lift gently to avoid bruising. You don't need a shed of kit, a trowel, hand rake, garden fork, and a soft spray hose or rose. Start with one manageable bed and try carrots and beets this season. Keep simple notes and tweak next year. Then enjoy what you grew from a tiny seed. Now it's over to you. Tell us what you think in the comments and like and subscribe. Join our growing community. Happy gardening.